Wait, James, before we start, I have to tell everyone something super exciting.
Oh no, Lima, what happened? You look so happy.
I learned to make pizza for the first time this weekend, but there's a funny problem.
A problem? Tell us.
The pizza was purple.
Purple pizza? Oh my. Okay, everyone, you need to hear this story. Stay with us.
Hello! Welcome back to Smart English Official. This is the place where learning English is super easy and really fun.
Hi, everyone. I'm James.
And I'm Lima. Oh, James, I am so happy to be here with you today.
Me too, Lima. Today is a beautiful day. I can see the blue sky from my window. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic. I had my favorite coffee this morning, and we're going to talk about weekends today. I love weekends.
Yes, weekends are the best. Saturday and Sunday are like two little holidays every week.
And you know what, everyone? We are so happy you're here with us.
Yes, but before we start, we need to ask you something very small. If you're enjoying our podcast right now, please click the like button.
Yes, that like button helps other people find Smart English Official. And please subscribe to our channel.
When you subscribe, you get a notification every time we make a new episode. You won't miss anything.
And share this episode with your friends. Learning English is more fun when you do it with friends.
Yes, sharing is caring. Okay, Lima, I'm ready. Let's talk about the weekend.
So, James, what did you do last Saturday?
Oh, I woke up very late. I opened my eyes at 10:30 in the morning.
10:30? Wow, that's late.
I know, but Saturday is the only day I can sleep like this. I work all week, so my body needs rest.
I understand. So what happened after you woke up?
Well, I felt very hungry. I made toast with butter and had a big glass of orange juice. Then I watched funny cat videos on my phone.
Cat videos? Those are so funny.
Yes, there was one video where a cat tried to jump but fell into a box. I laughed for 5 minutes.
Cats are so entertaining. What did you do in the afternoon?
I went to the beach. The weather was perfect. The sun was shining, but it wasn't too hot.
Oh, I love the beach. Were there many people?
Yes, there were families with children building sandcastles, there were teenagers playing volleyball, and there were old couples walking and holding hands.
Oh, that's so sweet. Old couples holding hands always make me feel happy.
Me too. I walked along the beach for about 1 hour. I took off my shoes and walked in the water. The water was cold, but it felt very good.
That sounds so refreshing.
Yes, and then I sat down on the sand. I just watched the ocean. The waves were coming in and going out. It was very peaceful.
That sounds like meditation, James. Very calm.
Exactly. After that, I went to a small cafe near the beach. I got strawberry ice cream. It was pink and very sweet. I ate it while watching the sunset. The sky turned orange and pink and purple.
Oh, James, that sounds so beautiful. Now it's my turn, right?
Yes, what did you do on Saturday?
I decided to clean my closet, and I found things I forgot about.
Really? What did you find?
I found a yellow dress with white flowers, and I found an old photo album with pictures from when I was a little girl.
That's like finding treasure. Did you look funny in the photos?
Yes, I had very short hair and very big glasses. I looked like a little scientist.
That's adorable. So you spent the whole day cleaning?
No. After 2 hours, I called my best friend, Maria. We went shopping.
Shopping? That sounds fun.
It was. We went to the shopping mall. I bought new white sneakers with blue stripes. Maria bought a beautiful red scarf.
Nice. And after shopping?
We went to a coffee shop, we had cappuccino, and shared a piece of chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Was it good?
It was amazing. So soft and so chocolatey.
Okay, so that was your Saturday. Now let's talk about Sunday.
Yes. So, James, what did you do on Sunday morning?
On Sunday morning, I went to church. This is very special to me.
Tell us more about it. Why is church important to you?
Well, I'm a Christian. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe He is my Savior. Going to church helps me feel close to God.
That's very meaningful. What happens at church?
First, we sing worship songs. The music is very beautiful. Sometimes it's quiet and peaceful. Sometimes it's loud and joyful.
That sounds lovely. Do you like singing?
Yes, I'm not a very good singer, but I don't care. When I sing these songs, I feel very happy inside. It's like my heart is smiling.
My heart is smiling. What a beautiful way to say it.
Thank you. After singing, our pastor speaks. He reads from the Bible and explains what it means for our lives.
What did he talk about last Sunday?
He talked about helping other people. He said that when we help someone, we show God's love. That message really touched my heart.
That's beautiful. It reminds us to be kind to everyone.
Exactly. And I love the community at church. After the service, everyone talks. We ask each other, "How are you? Do you need help?" It's like a big family.
Thank you for sharing that, James. Your faith is very important to you.
Yes, it is. I believe that Jesus is the way to have a relationship with God. That gives me peace and hope every day.
That's powerful. What about you on Sunday?
Yes, tell us about your Sunday.
Oh, my Sunday was very different. I had a plan.
What kind of plan?
I wanted to learn something new. I decided to make homemade pizza.
Pizza. Wait, is this the purple pizza?
Yes, let me tell you the story.
I can't wait.
First, I went to the grocery store. I bought flour, yeast, tomato sauce, cheese, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, and purple cabbage.
Purple cabbage on pizza?
Yeah, I know. I thought it looked healthy. I didn't know it was a bad idea.
Oh no, what happened?
I went home and made the dough. I mixed flour, water, yeast, and salt with my hands. It was sticky, but I kept mixing.
Then what?
I had to wait 1 hour for the dough to rise. While waiting, I cut all the vegetables, including the purple cabbage.
The purple cabbage.
Yeah, I rolled the dough flat. I put tomato sauce, cheese, and all the vegetables on top.
Including purple cabbage.
Yeah, I put the pizza in the oven. After 20 minutes, I took it out. But everything was purple. The whole pizza turned purple.
Purple pizza?
Yeah, the purple cabbage released purple juice. It looked like a science experiment.
Did you eat it?
Yes, and it tasted okay. A little strange, but not terrible.
So now you know, no purple cabbage on pizza.
Exactly. But I'm not sad. I tried something new. I made a mistake, but I learned.
That's perfect, Lima. That's how we learn English too. We try, we make mistakes, we learn.
Yes, mistakes are teachers.
Everyone listening, remember that. What did you do after your pizza adventure?
I called my mom and told her about my purple pizza. She laughed so much. She said, "Lima, pizza is not supposed to be purple."
Your mom is funny.
She invited me to her house this Saturday. She'll teach me how to make proper pizza.
That's wonderful. Cooking with family is so special.
Yes. In the evening, I made green tea with honey and watched a romantic comedy movie. It was about a girl who meets a boy at a bookstore. It was very sweet.
Did it have a happy ending?
Yes, they fell in love. It was perfect.
So you ended your Sunday feeling happy?
Yes, I went to bed with a smile on my face. So, James, let's remember everything for our listeners.
Good idea. On Saturday, I went to the beach. I walked in the water, sat on the sand, and ate strawberry ice cream while watching the sunset.
And I cleaned my closet, found old photos, went shopping with Maria, and ate chocolate cake.
On Sunday, I went to church. I sang songs, listened to the pastor's message, and spent time with my church family. My faith in Jesus gives me peace.
And I made purple pizza. I learned that purple cabbage doesn't belong on pizza. Then I watched a movie and felt very happy.
Even though we did very different things, we both had wonderful weekends.
That's true. You can do whatever makes you happy on weekends.
The important thing is to do something that brings you joy.
Now we want to hear your stories. What did you do last weekend?
Yes, please tell us in the comments. Did you go somewhere fun? Did you see friends or family?
Did you try cooking something new or go to the beach?
Write in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. We all make mistakes.
Writing in English is very good practice. Even 1 or 2 sentences is great.
We love reading your comments. We feel like we're all one big family.
Smart English official family. Okay, before we finish, please give us a thumbs up. Click that like button.
And please subscribe to Smart English Official. Turn on notifications.
And share this episode with at least one friend.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are amazing.
Keep practicing. Listen, speak, read, and write English every day.
Remember, mistakes are teachers. Don't be afraid.
We'll see you next week with another fun conversation.
Until then, take care. And don't make purple pizza.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.